Oh, it went further back than I thought. Ooh. Hey guys, I'm Tom the Tech Chap, and you've probably already seen a whole bunch of videos on the new Huawei P30 Pro. I've even made an unboxing and a camera comparison so far, and of course it is that camera that everybody's talking about. It takes the best low light shots, it has the best zoom. I mean, the 5x optical, 10x hybrid, and even 50x digital is just insane, and it blows the competition out of the water. Plus, I really like the new time-of-flight 3D depth sensor, which gives you different levels of bokeh blur in portrait shots. So it's not just you and then the background, it gets progressively more bokeh the further you go back in the picture. And of course, it's also a beautiful looking phone. I love the design and the range of colors, although I think Aurora Blue is my favorite. But for me, the biggest selling point of the P30 Pro, and the reason why I'm probably going to switch to this as my new daily driver, is the battery life. Yes, it's not as sexy as the shiny new colors or the crazy zoom, but the P30 Pro has the best battery life on any flagship phone that you can buy right now. With a 4200 mAh cell, that's 100 more than the Galaxy S10 Plus. But wait, what about the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, which also has a 4200 mAh battery, the same size as a P30 Pro? Well, of course, you will get similar battery life. But also remember that, first of all, the Mate 20 Pro has a Quad HD Plus resolution screen, so if you do keep it at that native high res, which some people do prefer, it will drain the battery a little bit quicker. But then you do have to consider with the Mate 20 Pro, you're missing out on the new quad camera setup, with that brand new sensor, the longer zoom and improved night mode. Plus you get more RAM and more storage on the P30 Pro, but they are both great options. And so having that big battery means that by the end of a normal day for me, and I've been using the P30 Pro pretty intensely, by around 11:30 p.m. at night, I still have about 40% of my battery life remaining. So if you don't go over the top, 2 full days of use is definitely achievable. I ran an intense battery rundown test between the P30 Pro and the Galaxy S10 Plus, with the Samsung lasting for 7 hours and 5 minutes versus 7 hours and 32 minutes for the P30 Pro. So your new phone could have all the bells and whistles in the world, but if you have to ration how you use it and keep it in power saving mode all the time, which reduces performance and lowers the resolution, you keep having to close all the background apps, well, that's not really ideal. So one of the best things about the P30 Pro, in my opinion, is the fact that you can use it however you want and not have to worry about the battery life. But even when it does run down, if you use Huawei's 40-watt supercharger that comes bundled with the phone, it will go from 0 to 70%, which will give you at least another full day of use in just 30 minutes. It also supports faster 15-watt wireless charging, and of course we also get wireless reverse charging, which they first introduced on the Mate 20 Pro. So that means you can top up other Qi wireless devices, so maybe a friend's phone or a pair of wireless earphones, just by putting it on top of the P30 Pro. Now, to be fair, it is still very slow. I had kind of hoped they'd improved it since the Mate 20, but if your friend's phone has completely died at the end of a night out and you can top them up to maybe 5% so they can get an Uber home, something I actually have done myself, it can be pretty handy. So I just wanted to make this quick video highlighting how genuinely incredible the battery life on the P30 Pro is, as it kind of seems just a little bit forgotten as everyone else is talking about that awesome camera. Make sure you do subscribe and stay tuned though for my full review coming soon. And if you do want to see just how good the camera is on this thing, click on this video and watch my comparison video right now. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you next time right here on the Tech Chat.